Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A16 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the personalizations. Now let's tap on the wallpaper. Here we've got all options which are connected to the wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got two different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from our own photos or the static wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick this option, and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from, and all you have to do in order to check the preview and set the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let's tap, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the full screen. As you can see, you cannot change the position of the photo of the wallpaper, so if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And here you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it and we can go back. As you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO A16. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.